Video will discuss about top cloud providers, that is AWS, Azure, GCP, Oracle Cloud. We'll discuss one by one here. First one, AWS, Amazon Web Services, is started in 2006 by Amazon. It is the first public cloud provider and still market leader today. It offers 200 plus services, that is compute, storage, AI, DevOps, database, etc. AWS used by companies Netflix, Zoom, Adobe, etc. This is best for scalability and reliability. Second one is the Azure. Azure is launched by 2010 by Microsoft. This enterprise companies ఒక best choice. Integrates with Office 365, Windows Server, Active Directory, etc. Used by companies LinkedIn, HP, Samsung, etc. Best for enterprise and hybrid cloud setup కోసం. Third one, Google Cloud, launched in 2011 by Google. ఇది AI, machine learning and big data లో super strong. Built on YouTube, Gmail, Google search in same infrastructure. Used by companies Spotify, PayPal, Snapchat, etc. This is best for AI, machine learning, analytics and Kubernetes. Fourth one and final one is the Oracle Cloud. This is launched by 2016 by Oracle. Mainly used for the database and ERP workloads కోసం యూజ్ చేస్తారు. Used by the Zoom for best for the database and enterprise apps కోసం. సింపుల్ గా చెప్పాలి అంటే AWS is launched in 2006 but still market leader. Second one, Azure, launched in 2010 and enterprise cloud కోసం. Third one, GCP, launched in 2011, is best for AI and data expert కోసం. Fourth one, Oracle, launched in 2016, is best for the database powerhouse. Thank you guys. For more videos, please follow the Tech Career Hubs. If you found interest